Most people think Walmart Scan and Go is broken when it suddenly stops working. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, the problem isn't the feature itself. It's usually a simple issue with the app, your connection, or the store setup. In this video, you'll learn the fastest ways to fix Walmart Scan and Go problems in 2026. Whether the scanner won't open, barcodes won't scan, or checkout won't complete, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's get straight into the fixes. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Walmart account. Scan and Go features are tied to your account, and some features may not work properly if your login session has expired. Next, verify that you're connected to a stable internet connection. Scan and Go relies on real-time communication with Walmart systems. If your connection is weak, products may fail to scan or load properly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users assume the barcode scanner is malfunctioning when the real issue is camera permission settings. Open your phone settings, find the Walmart app, and make sure camera access is enabled. Take Alex as an example. He spent 10 minutes trying to scan products without success. The scanner wasn't broken. Camera permissions had been accidentally disabled after a phone update. But here's the problem. Even with a good connection and camera access, an outdated app can still cause errors. Open your device's app store and check for Walmart app updates. New versions often include bug fixes that solve scanning and checkout issues. This is where most people fail. They spend time troubleshooting every setting except the one thing causing the problem: an outdated app version. In a minute, I'll show you a fix that solves many stubborn Scan and Go issues. If scanning still isn't working, close the Walmart app completely and reopen it. Then, restart your phone. This refreshes temporary app processes that may be interfering with normal operation. Now for the powerful fix. Clear the Walmart app cache if your device supports it. Corrupted temporary data can prevent features like Scan and Go from working correctly. After clearing the cache, sign back in and test the scanner again. Another important thing to know is that not every Walmart location supports the exact same app features. If Scan and Go isn't appearing at all, verify that the feature is available at your store and that you're physically inside the participating location. If checkout fails after scanning items, review your payment method. Expired cards, declined transactions, or account verification issues can prevent the purchase from completing. So here's the quick recap. Check your login, verify internet access, enable camera permissions, update the Walmart app, restart your device, clear cached data, and confirm your payment method. You now have the most effective ways to fix Walmart Scan and Go problems in 2026. If this guide helped you get back to shopping faster, like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Walmart tips, troubleshooting guides, and app tutorials.